morning, everyone. Here we are. It's Tuesday, the 19th of May, day 32 of home learning. Keep it up, guys. You're doing an amazing job. If you've not spotted last night, there was a video that announced the House Cup winners. There's a new system in place, so have a look at that. A new design of an average/mean of points per pupil. I think it's a bit fairer. Spoiler alert, the winners were, turn away now if you don't want to know, well done to Gouache. So it now stands as Welham 3, Gouache 2 and Chater 1 in the House Cup charts. If you've not spotted already, there are some videos up from this morning from Mr. Coin's PE challenges. Have a look for them. And a reminder that the SATs booklets are still being taken in as a score for the end of the week. If you've got your score ready or you want to send me any more photos of crazy hair or art, send it through and I will have a look and start getting some prizes for the week as well. I'm thinking of doing a quiz Thursday as well for those people who've already done it. So quiz will still go ahead, PE challenges go ahead, and any outstanding SATs papers. Looking forward to that. All right. Yes, it's been a very busy day for myself yesterday. If you've not spotted any emails last night, you should all now have some feedback and some house points on week 6 of home learning. So have a look at your feedback. Let me know if you want to reply to me. That'd be amazing. Just to say, oh, okay, thanks for the advice, but what do you mean about this? Or if you've got any questions about what I'm saying, or you've got any comments to some of my questions, let me know. All right. Right, should we see what we're doing today? Spelling frame's the same. We're going to keep that going. MyMaths. Mrs. Fox's group are looking at fractions calculations. Same denominators, so you just add the numbers at the top. Or, in this case, take them away. And in this case, take them away. There's some here. And then you've got to find out which is the odd one out. So look for here. 3 add 1 is 4. 2 add 2 is 4. 3 add 1 is 4. 1 add 4 is 5. So this one would be the odd one out. Make sense? You click it and you check which ones are there. Examples that I've done already here for this one. This is the pyramid. It looks crazier than it is. You add together the 2 at the bottom. They make the 1 above. So I've done 2 examples for you there. Look, 21 add 4 is 25 over 134. Keep the denominators the same. Okay. Here, for example, we've gone for using equivalent fractions. Which is greater? You compare it. You say, well, I change one. Firstly, I need to get the denominators the same, because at the moment I've got a 6 and a 12. So I see if the 6 goes into 12. Yes, it does. Keep 11 twelfths the same. Double both of these ones here to make 10 twelfths, which is bigger, 11 twelfths. And I've done that example for you there. Smaller one over here, Mr. Flowers has already made a mistake. You need to check that carefully. I thought it's like bigger. Have a look here. 2/3 or 8/15. Well, 3 goes into 15. Times it by 5. Times the top by 5. 10/15 or 8/15, which is smaller. 8/15 is smaller. Make sense? Do let me know if you need any more videos. If you're not sure, email me and I can send a bit more of a detailed one. Improper fractions, you guys from yesterday, my group, should be getting on with this pretty well today. How many 5s go into 9? 1 whole with 4 remaining. 1 4/5. How many 4s go into 7? 1 remainder 3. And you keep the same denominator. Make sense? And you go through like that. The second part of those questions are word problems. What do you add to 15 quarters to make 4? Well, I know that 4. How do I make 4 with a 4 at the bottom? How many needs to be on the top for it to be divided by 4 equally to make 4? Well, what's 4 times 4? 16. So my top number needs to be 16. At the moment, it's 15, so I just need 1 more quarter. Does that make sense? I hope it's right. There you go. So have a look at that. If you need any more explanations, let me know. Aha! This is for Mrs. Bassett's group with brackets, double brackets. Enjoy. Have a look at the lesson first. No more help for that. I want you guys to have a good go and have a look at the lesson firsthand. Right, let's nip back to the grid. I've not actually looked at the learning grid with you today, have I, so far? So you've done the calculations there. Activity 12 is for Tuesday. Activity 12. Let's have a look. It's all to do with a poem with a repeating pattern today. For this poem, you will need a repeating phrase chosen from one of the ideas above. So it could be your juxtaposition from yesterday, it could be any sentences from last week, but you're going to go with the same opening, the same combination at the start of each 4 lines of the stanza. Here, the author's gone for, I got lost. I got lost in. I got lost in the. I got lost in the. Okay? I got lost in the castle of curses and never came out. I got lost in the maze of confusion. I got lost in there. So you could go for different combinations with the same opener. Here, you could go for the same combination, with just a different ending. The Castle of Dreams, the Dungeon of Doom. So I'd like you to come up with, let's go with 3 more stanzas like this with your own version. Okay? With your own version. I want you to choose your own one, and each verse could be 4 lines in a different threatening setting. Okay? So you're going to create your own version of that, repeating 4 lines, repeating 4 lines, repeating 4 lines, and of course the ending is going to be slightly different. Okay, let's have a look at what the challenge from your key stage today is. Mrs. Stanfield's challenge. Let's head to the website, Mr. Flowers. Okay, on there it's got Mrs. S's challenge. Click on like so. Comes at the bottom. Let's see what Mrs. Stanfield's challenge is today. Mrs. Stanfield's Tuesday challenge for Key Stage 2. Think of 7 ways you can show kindness to those around you over the next week. An act of kindness a day. These may be really small things, like a little smile, a chat, or a cuppa. This does sound like Mrs. Stanfield. Make these your kindness promises. So 7 acts of kindness and things that you can do. Think about these at the end of each day. Did you manage to tick any off? How did it make somebody feel? And your extension, if you would like to, is to make a kindness wheel. You could put these 7 into a colour kindness wheel, spin the wheel, and then you could create your own one per day. You tick them off. You spin the wheel round. Which one's it landed on out of number 7? Oh, it's landed on number 5. Go and make somebody a cup of tea. Something like that. Well, there's your challenges for today, guys. I'm a little bit more available today. I'm going to be doing your reference forms, the ones that I've got left to finish off. They need to be in by this week, so I've got lots to write over the next few days, making sure that your Year 7 reference forms are sorted. Anyone need any videos? I might send some more out if needed today. So let me know. Do shout if you need any help, and check out the videos from last night and this morning. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Sun's shining, weather's sweet, it's flowers out. Bye-bye.